We're at API Days Paris. API Days is everyone in the industry getting together to share knowledge, learnings, best practice around API architecture. It's been so lovely getting the team together, and it's so cool hearing people come up and tell you about how they're using Apollo and how it's helped them within their companies.
I'm here at API Days to explain Apollo to customers, potential customers, answer any questions they might have around GraphQL, building APIs, platforms. People who want to build APIs that already have REST APIs and want to build GraphQL, sort of like figure out how we can connect them.
We also had Python microservices, JavaScript microservices, and everything was put behind a nice GraphQL API that I, as an Android developer, could query, and the iOS team could as well, same as for the web team. And this was really awesome, because with tools like Explorer, I could really get insights about what is inside my API.
Et ça permet aussi d'avoir une stratégie d'API globale potentiellement. Mais les équipes, elles travaillent une fois. On n'a pas besoin de dire, ah ben, faut que je modifie l'application interne et après je modifie l'application externe, si on n'a pas besoin. Ça peut être très pratique et très puissant. De dire, bah, on sait, on contrôle avec la même plateforme et on a un seul point d'entrée.
Thought leadership has always been an important part of what we do, and we really want to make the standard and then the technology go even further. That's what we've done with Federation, and now we see that it's widely adopted, and it's one of the main topics today at API Days Paris. So we're proud of that, and we're happy to see it grow and to continue to contribute.